family, it's the Velvet Locks in the kitchen again. Of course, you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to fix some lunch. So just so that you guys can get some ideas of healthy lunches to make, and you can easily make this in the morning, bring it with you to work, easy. And of course, it's with green salad, okay? So today, I'm going to make me a really nice healthy shrimp salad. I love my shrimps, okay? Now I have some leftover spicy taco shrimp that I made the other day. I'm also going to be using my spring mixture of lettuce. It's baby lettuce, baby greens, and radichow. I'm not quite sure what that is. Okay. Then I also bought me some avocados. You know, I want to put that in there. Then I have a bowl with some sliced, and I kind of diced them up a little bit, of my cucumber. All right. Then I'm also going to top that with some of my feta cheese. Love this. This tastes so delicious. I'm also going to include some of my black beans. Okay, that is so healthy, full with iron, perfect. Also, I love me some sweet corn, you guys. Love me some sweet corn in a salad. And I think I might experiment a little bit and put some little pieces of strawberries in there. And I'm also going to include some almonds, okay? And these are sliced almonds, okay? Perfect for baking and snacking, all right? Wonderful. So let's get started on lunch, all right? And I'm also going to accompany that with my green tea. It's always good to have green tea. This is some organic green tea that I picked up today at my local supermarket, all right? And that is delicious. I also might even include a little bit of the creamy Italian garlic dressing. Okay, just a little bit for that. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let me start with that right now. All right, so we're finished dicing up our shrimps. Now I warmed it up in the microwave and just sliced them up into little pieces. And now I'm going to throw in some of my cucumbers that I've already pre-sliced, cut a lot smaller. So let me get back my cutting board that I just finished using, and I'm just going to re-slice them up into like quarter pieces. I had them that way the other day and they were so delicious to snack on like that. Next, I want to add some corn, so I got some nice sweet corn to add to that. Now, I don't know if you've ever had just regular beans in your salad, but I fell in love with black beans when I started going to Chipotle. So I'm going to add some black beans into this right here. Okay, now we're just going to toss that up a little bit. It's delicious, smells wonderful. Now I want to cut up my avocado and add that in there as well. Alright, so you cut that in half. Now today I might just use half of the avocado. I'll use the bigger piece. Okay. And I'm going to cube these. So I'm just going to slice, make my cuts while it's still in the skin. Okay, and then you're just going to use your spoon and scoop that out. Now I'm just going to grace the top of this with my feta cheese. Okay, for some added crunch, you can add some almond slices, which is what I'm going to do. Oh, this is good. My bee pollen, okay? I did a video on the benefits of bee pollen. And one good thing about bee pollen, you can add it into your smoothies, your salads. So you just sprinkle that in there, okay? Use as much as you want. And next I'm just going to slice a few of my strawberries. I'm gonna wash them and just slice up a few of my strawberries. Maybe I'll only do 3 today. Okay. So we're just gonna slice up some of the strawberries. See how our salad is looking. Look at that, you guys. Now, is that a lunch or what? That is definitely a lunch. Okay. Now, lastly, what I'm gonna do is just grace this with some of my Italian garlic dressing. And you can use any dressing. You can use the balsamic dressing, you know, whatever is your favorite dressing. But I like creamy Italian. And I know that's a little fattening, you guys, but you can always just use a little bit of whatever it is. Okay. All right, you guys, so that's it. That's my wonderful lunch for today. And it's a shrimp tossed salad with some avocados, with some cucumbers, with some strawberries, sliced almonds, bee pollen, my spring blend lettuce, and my feta cheese, okay? So that's what it's looking like for lunch today. And I'm also gonna have that with some of my organic green tea, which I've already blended and it's sitting in my teeny cup. All right? All right, you guys, so bon appetit. Thank you so much for joining me on this Cooking It Up in the Kitchen with Donna, and enjoy your lunch, all right? And I'll see you in the next Cooking It Up video. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.